Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You've got the Komplete Audio 2 and drivers downloaded. Start by plugging it into a powered USB port so the unit gets stable power and low latency. Once the OS recognizes the interface, open Sound Settings and select Komplete Audio 2 as input and output so audio routes correctly. Make sure sample rate and buffer size are reasonable, 44. 1 kHz, 128-256 samples, to avoid clicks. If you use a DAW, set the device in its audio preferences now so monitoring will work. You'll now configure inputs. Plug a dynamic mic into XLR or a guitar into the 1/4 jack, and enable plus 48V only for condenser microphones to avoid damage. Once connected, slowly raise the gain while speaking or playing, watching for peaks around -6 to -3 decibels to preserve headroom. Then enable direct monitoring on the interface to eliminate latency during tracking. Once done, fine-tune headphone and monitor levels so you hear a balanced mix of input and playback while recording. You'll finish by integrating the interface with your DAW. Choose Komplete Audio 2 as the ASIO or core audio driver, then map each track to the physical inputs for recording. Once routing is confirmed, test a full take and adjust monitoring latency or buffer size to balance CPU load and responsiveness. If you hear dropouts or crackling, increase buffer size, try a different USB port or cable, and confirm drivers are up to date. If problems persist, restart the interface and DAW before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.